Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for central Williamson County, Illinois, until 4 p.m. At 3:19 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Carterville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for central Williamson County, Illinois, until 4 p.m.
Tornado.
At 3:19
has been confirmed by train spotters.
Extremely dangerous tornado was located near Carterville, moving
You are in
at
a
30 miles per
life-threatening
hour.
situation.
This is a particularly dangerous
Deadly to those
situation.
caught without shelter.
Take cover now.
Mobile homes will be
Expected
destroyed.
hazards included a damaging
Considerable
tornado.
damage to homes.
A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Marion
To
around
repeat,
3:25
a large,
p.m.
extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground.
Other locations
To protect your
by
life.
this tornadic thunderstorm include Spillertown. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 48 and 56. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now.
A tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties: Williamson, Illinois.
Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Williamson, Illinois.